Hi, my name is Dan. Welcome back to my channel. I've decided to try to up my game a little bit. I spent some money and I got a few things I'd really like to try out right now. This is a night of first. This is my first vlog. I am filming in 4K 30, so hopefully you get to see all the pimples and everything, all the imperfections in my face. I just finished up mowing. It's hotter than the hubs of, well, you know, out there. Um, Currently, I'm recording on the Lumix G9. I am doing 4K 30. I am using the 14mm prime. So hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it sounds good. Um, I'm just using light from the window and an overhead ceiling lamp. So one of the first things I decided to get was I picked up this. And this is just a little portable LED light. It's made by Viltrox, I believe, and it's got, where I can set the white balance, it's got a percentage of how much power. I have it set at the lowest right now. The lowest right now is 20%. So I'm going to try to put it over here to try to get some of the shadows off of my face. So when we turn it on and we set it right about there, how does that look? Does it make it look better? Does it make it look worse? Should I try a different angle? Should I try down a little bit to right about there? Does that look better, or does it cause too much shadow coming up? We'll take a look at it here in a little bit and we'll see how it does. Also, I'm recording on an external mic. This is the Movo. It's very similar to the Rode Video Micro. I believe it's the smaller one. It's not the big one, but it's a, I'm not sure of the name, but it's a Movo little teeny tiny shotgun mic. So we're going to check the sound of that. The other thing I picked up, it's a Purple Panda lav mic. So we're going to get out and we're going to do a test on that. And then the big thing I spent my money on is I spent my money on this. This is the Rode Micro Go, I believe. And basically it is, or wireless, Rode Wireless Go, I'm sorry. This is the Rode Wireless Go, where I have the one side that is the transmitter, and then I have the other side that is the receiver. So we're going to try that out tonight as well, and just see how that goes. I have heard that these microphones run hot. So I might have to adjust the settings on my camera right now. Currently my preamp in my camera is set at, I believe, negative 10 decibels. It goes down to negative 12. So we're going to try this stuff out tonight. Let's see how it works. Also, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm putting together another EMS vlog that, if I get time this weekend, I will try to talk a little bit about the safety and some of the dangers that we come across on our day-to-day life, and how you, the general public that's watching this, can help us, help keep us safe. So let's go ahead and check this out. Currently this is the Movo shotgun mic, so we're going to try just a plain, we're going to do the Purple Panda lav mic next. So hopefully it sounds pretty good. Alright, this is the test of the Purple Panda lav mic. I just have it clipped right here onto my shirt. We'll see how that sounds. We'll see if it makes any difference whatsoever. But this is the audio test. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a lav mic. It comes in a kit. You get the bag. You get a GoPro adapter, which it won't work with, I guess maybe a GoPro Hero 4, but it won't work with the standard GoPro because you need the unicorn microphone adapter that nobody seems to find right now. We have a TRRS to TRS adapter, and then the other thing that comes in the package is you get a dead cat that flips over the end of it. And then you also get it to like a 9-foot extension. So we're going to see how this sounds, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Rode, I guess Rode Micro Go, and we're going to plug this in. We're going to see how that does next. So hopefully it works out pretty well. So this is the audio test of the
Purple Panda, this lav mic that's right there. So we'll see how that sounds.
Okay, now you're hearing the audio out of the Rode Wireless Go. I did have to monkey with the decibel settings on the preamp and the camera. I set it down to about -10 again. It just seems like it's pretty hot, but this is what you're going to expect from it. It comes with 2 charging cables. It comes with the transmitter, the receiver. It comes with a 3.5mm adapter for the receiver to the camera, and it also comes with 2 dead cats that just kind of clip onto this. The other really thing that I'm going to try here in a little bit is it has a place for a 3.5 jack for an additional mic. So we're going to try that out here too. So bear with me a little bit. This is the audio from the Rode Video Go. It's a pretty neat setup. I'm not tied down. I can walk around. I don't have to be within arm's length of the camera. If I'm back a little bit farther, I don't have to worry about, is the boom microphone picking up my voice? I know it is, and I know it's going to be right there. So the other thing we're going to do real quick is we're going to plug in the Purple Panda lav mic. We'll see what that sounds like.
Back and I listened to some of the video from the Purple Panda lav mic. The video was just so silent I couldn't hear it. So I went back and I turned up the camera to +6 on the decibels. I am talking a little bit louder than normal. I'm not clipping on the audio meter, so it should sound better, but it just seems like I am just yelling at the microphone. So I'm not a big fan of the lav mic. Maybe I've got a bad lav mic, but everything I've seen and everything I've read about this microphone is it does seem to run hot. Well, I've got my camera cranked up all the way. I am basically talking louder than what I would talk in a normal conversation, and it just feels like I'm yelling. So I'm not a big fan of the lapel mic. Maybe I've just got a bad one. I don't know. But we'll keep trying. We'll see if we can't get it better. But right now, I'm not a big fan of the lav mic. So I just think it would be a problem to have to hold the microphone up this close to get a good audio signal from it. So I'm not a big fan. Who knows? But we'll give it another shot.